we're here looking at the pansies and the dusty miller that we planted this last fall, and one is not doing well. And when you look at it, it's slightly lower than the others. Plus, it's been raining a lot. It's so wet that I was able to pull a dandelion up, roots and all. So I'm going to try something, because there's still some life left in this dusty miller. We're going to raise it up just a little bit and see if we can't keep it alive. It's got some nice roots on it. So we'll just raise it up. And now it's just a little bit raised, and we'll see if that does the trick, keeping it alive.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.